Welcome to Mr. English KJ.
Dejecti is reminiscing about the choices she made in her life. She looks agitated and overwhelmed. Her hands are clasped together as if she is praying or pleading for mercy. She may have been hoping for a better path in life, but now she seems burdened by regret. As the saying goes, regret is the shadow.
People are walking through a bustling area at high speed. Some are strolling calmly, some are striding with purpose, some are rushing, and others are hurrying through the crowd. A few are weaving between people, while others are trudging slowly as if they are tired. In a busy place like this, every kind of walk tells a different story. The path is made by walking.
Rick had an accident and lost the ability to walk, so now he is in a wheelchair. Even after such a painful tragedy, his wife Selena stayed by his side and supported him. Now she pushes his wheelchair forward while smiling, and he waves his hand joyfully as if he is flying. They are both laughing, and their happiness shows that love and courage can carry people through the hardest times. Forever and always, I've got your back.
The Richards family went on a picnic where the parents were talking to each other and both children were playing with bubbles. The kids used a bubble wand dipped in soapy water, then blew through it to make floating bubbles. The air was filled with laughter, light conversation, and the cheerful feeling of a perfect family day.